going on, boys? Back for another video today. Today we're gonna be messing with this little KTM 65. So let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, boys, I just scored the deal of a lifetime on this bike. It is super clean. It's an older bike, but it was restored by one of my buddies, and he did a really good job. It's so nice. But we're just doing a couple of things to it. Mainly, I already ordered a new seat cover for it, a KTM seat cover. So we're doing a new seat cover. There were some graphics on this rim. You can kind of see the remnants. I'm gonna clean all that off of it. And we're gonna pop this pipe off real quick. We're gonna polish this thing because it is nasty. Yeah, the thing looks rough, but it's not bent, it's not dented or anything. So should polish up and look really nice when we get done with it. All right, boys, it is the next day. We got the pipe all shined up, polished up, looking really good. The rest of the bike turned out really good. I just gave everything a good cleaning, cleaned the rims, cleaned all that crap off them. There's still a little bit you can kind of see over there. A little bit of junk on the rims, some of that plastic residue. But yeah, dude, this thing is so clean. I did take off. There was a little sticker on the swing arm. I'm not sure if I started the video with it on or off. But yeah, she's all cleaned up. This is a 65. This is gonna be the end of this video for today. I do plan on, I'm gonna hit my buddy up, and he's actually got an 85 as well. So my plan is I wanna race the newer 65 versus his. He has a YZ85, but it's an older one. But we're gonna race the YZ65 or YZ85 versus this KTM 65, and then we're gonna race the 85 versus the Talaria, and then we're gonna race the 65 versus the Talaria. My opinion, I really think this 65 is gonna smoke the Talaria, and it's gonna smoke the older YZ85. This thing has close to 20 horsepower, if not more. Talaria has 8. So there is a large power difference, and the weight is about the same. I think the Talaria might actually be a little bit heavier by maybe 10 pounds or so. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video, and we'll see you in the next one.